How to connect Namecheap email to Gmail. Follow the instructions. Open your Gmail account and go to Settings. Click See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Click Add a Mail account next to check mail from other accounts. Enter your Namecheap email address and click Next. Select Import emails from my other account and click Next. Enter your Namecheap email address as the username. Enter your password. Set the POP server to mail.privtymail.com and use port 995. Check the SSL option and click Add Account. Select Yes to send mail as your Namecheap email and click Next. Enter the SMTP server as mail.privtymail.com. Use port 465 or 587. Enter your email and password. Choose SSL or TLS and complete the verification code step. Thank you for watching.